Guys, Cal from Alleyways here, and you may have seen a video of mine recently where I reviewed, tested, and compared the Huawei P30 Pro, this bad boy. So in today's vlog, I thought I'd film the whole thing on this in 4K. The Huawei is even better to film on than I first thought. I'll definitely use it alongside my Canon M50, especially in 4K. It's beautiful footage. But the real reason that we're out in the suburbs today is because we are donating blood. It's Blood Day. Emily and I do this every 3 months because it's really important, it saves lives, and they give you snacks. So what's your blood type?
Negative.
You know, I did so well here that last time they gave me an A+.
That was horrible. Oh my god, but good at the same time.
How are you, mate? So that's it, guys. Another vlog bites the dust, all filmed in 4K on the Huawei P30 Pro. If you'd like to see the test, review, and comparison, the video is linked right there. And donate blood. We'll catch you in the next place.